Hello everyone, you are watching iCore, a place of intelligence, and today we are going to move up with the introduction to Turbo C++. We all already know it that if we need to get the Java and other languages by hand to mouth, so first we must have a good control over the Turbo C++, and it was the first basic programming language, and it is a structured programming language. It's a code and its coding is similar to Java and other languages. So it is always said that we should get up with the language C or Turbo C++ first, then the Java. And since there has a lot of changes in the education system of India, so the coding has been a vital part of this new education system which has been introduced by our education department. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First, we must know to the history of the language and the command that we are going to use in this language. So let's start. First, C is a general purpose structured programming language. As I said you earlier, it's a structured programming language due to which its coding is similar to the Java. So to get to know to Java, first we need to get language C hand to mouth. So now in number 2, it's an offspring of BPCL, its basic programming combined language, which was earlier known as B. Means it is a offspring of language B. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Dennis developed B and named it C. As I said you that the Dennis developed the language B and named it C. And C was developed along with the Unix operating system and later coded entirely in C. Unix operating system is a very high and immensified coding programming system, but latterly it was entirely coded in C, and in the big scientists and the other peoples they usually use this Unix operating system. And number 6, it's a case sensitive. Now what's this case sensitive? Let me explain you that case sensitive means if we are writing a word or any other sentence in language C, if we have started writing it in a capital letter and we have written all other words in small letter, then if we run the program and if we have to write the same thing, and if we did not write as same as we have written it earlier, that's starting with capital and other with small, then it will not work. This is known as case sensitive. And if we have written it in completely small letter, then we in the running of program we have to write it in a complete small word. So this is known as the case sensitive. Means any differences, if any other difference will occur, the program will not be able to run or will not be able to load. Now some commands that we are going to use in the Turbo C is this 2/. It means the comments. We have to start the program by using this, that's include, and we have to do this 2/. Number 2, Alt plus F9. It used to compile the program. This compiling of program means it already detects that if the program is correct or not, and if you have not written the correct coding, then it will already tell you that yeah, your program is wrong. Control plus F9. It is used to run the program. As I said you, to run the program we have to use this control plus F9. Now F2. F2 is used to save the program. Yes, it's used to save the program. These are some few shortcuts that we have to use, and we are going to use in this first video only by using a simple programming language. Now number 5, it's /n. It means next line, and /t it means tab or space. So now we are moving upon further with the simple coding that I am going to teach you today. So let's start it. First of all, we have to download the Turbo C++. I'll provide you the link from where I have downloaded it, and some other stuffs. If your computer doesn't contain that software, then you have to also download the software. I'll provide the link in the description. Start with the basic thing that we have to write in each and every program is include stdio dot h hashtag include conio dot h. Now we have to write void main, and void will be in small letter, and now we will give some space. Now we will give the middle brace, and now pressing enter we will press the tab button. Now we have to write CLRSCR, which means clear the screen. Okay. Now we are going to write printf. Printf, as you are seeing the word print, it means that the thing which you will write inside that, it will be printed when we run the program. So let's start this basic coding. It's printf. Now we'll give the small brace and we will give this double brace. Now we will write here, and we can give any symbol, like I am giving this brace. Okay, then I am putting slash n. As I have told you earlier, the slash n means the next line. Okay, let's again we will write printf small brace double star. Now we will put the tab button. Okay, again we'll put the star, and then we will put hashtag and double cross off, put down and off, and we will continue this again and again. Printf as you are seeing that, as I have not switched off the double brace at the top, it's written in red letter. So we have to take care of this, that it must not come in the red letter. So I am giving this double brace. See, now it has come back to its own letter. So I am writing this one more, printf. Okay, now again the small brace star slash t star slash t star slash t. And as you are seeing that, why here is it saying like this? Because I have not given the double brace. I am showing this to you all guys, so that you don't do such mistakes. Okay, see, as I had given the double brace, it has come back to its own word. Okay, so I am giving one more star, and then I am going to write next line, and star off, small brace off, and star off, small brace off, and star. So now this gets ch. After writing, we will again give this small and one last point, and now we'll give enter, and we will go to the backspace, and we will give the middle brace. Now as I have told you the shortcuts, alt F9, see, it's showing 0 warning, 0 error. If in case I have given here this like this something, and if I will compile, then it will say 2 errors. Now what's that 2 errors? See, it is showing in this line, unintermediate string or character constant and functional call missing. this functional call, and as soon as I'll give this n, it will get back to work. Yes, see. So now we are going to run this program and let's see it will run or not. So control and F9. See, as we have structured the program of star, this was the star and we have given /n, it case to next line, then we have given star and then tab, then again to the next line, then star star star, then again to next line, and then this was the simple program that we have made in this introduction. And we can make all different types of program. We can make a cycle that's running on a path, and but it's a little bit tough level, so we will start from this basic level and we will go to that level. So that's all for today. This is ICO, a place of intelligence, taking exit from your eyes. Thank you.